Engineering psychology plays a vital role in the field of translation engineering. It's an essential ingredient to enhance the effectiveness and user experience in language translation. Let's delve into the ways this can be achieved. Firstly, the intuitive interface design. By applying usability and user-centered design principles, one can develop translation interfaces that are intuitive and easy to use. Cognitive psychology techniques offer insight into how users process information during translation. Using this information, interfaces can be designed to minimize cognitive load and facilitate decision-making. Secondly, cultural adaptation and linguistic sensitivity. By integrating knowledge of cultural psychology, translations can be ensured to be culturally appropriate and sensitive to linguistic and cultural differences. By considering psycholinguistic aspects such as pragmatics and semantics, translations can reflect the meaning and intent of the original text accurately. Thirdly, feedback and continuous improvement. User feedback systems can be implemented to collect feedback on the quality of translations and system performance. Organizational psychology techniques can be utilized to understand the needs and preferences of users in work environments and adapt translation tools accordingly. Fourthly, personalization and contextual adaptation. Translation systems can be developed that are capable of dynamically adapting to different contexts and user preferences. Machine learning techniques can be used to personalize translations based on usage history and individual user preferences. Fifthly, user experience evaluation. User experience assessments can be conducted to identify areas for improvement in the design and functionality of translation tools. Qualitative and quantitative research methods such as surveys and usability tests can be used to collect data on user satisfaction and the effectiveness of translations. Sixthly, problem resolution and user support. Principles of industrial psychology can be incorporated to design translation systems that minimize human errors and provide effective user support in case of problems. Help resources and tutorials using instructional design principles can guide users in the optimal use of translation tools. Lastly, ethics and cultural sensitivity. Ethical and cultural considerations must be integrated in the design of translation systems to avoid bias and discrimination in translations. Developers should be made aware of the importance of linguistic and cultural diversity and encouraged to include these in the design and development of translation tools. In summary, by applying engineering psychology in translation engineering, one can design more effective, user-centered and culturally sensitive translation systems. These not only improve the translation experience but also enhance intercultural communication. This approach is a testament to the importance and versatility of engineering psychology.